You know that little voice in your head that is that negative Nancy? The one that tells you you shouldn't be saying that, you shouldn't be doing this, you shouldn't be wearing that, you can't do this, you can't do that. It's pulling you down. It's speaking fear into your thoughts and your dreams. It's belittling you and making you feel small and not good enough. You pick apart yourself. It's you looking in the mirror and saying, I am beautiful. And that little voice looking back and saying, no, you're not. Who do you think you are? It's when you looking at a job and that voice in the back of your head is saying, I'm not good enough. I'm not qualified. That does not need to be permanent. That does not have a place in your life if you want to actually resolve it. That voice does not need to be made comfortable and made to think that it can live rent-free in your mind any longer. That voice is really not supportive in being able to truly live and flourish in a supported way. You want to get to a place where your mind is not a negative Nancy. Your mind is a positive Polly. That's how I describe mine. So I had this bully inside my mind that would beat me up, tear me down, rip me apart. And I transformed that through the healing I do for women to be the complete opposite. It's an inbuilt cheerleader. It's an inbuilt support system. It's self-belief, it's self-love, it's self-acceptance, it's self-worth, it's self-value. That stuff is what's automatically there now. All of that negative stuff is absolutely gone, and it has been gone since 2017, however long that is. My automatic responses are that of, I can do this, I love myself, I accept myself, I am worthy, I am good enough. And with that belief, that's where action taking becomes so much easier. That's where conversations become so much easier. That's where going out and doing things that you're passionate about becomes easier. That's where making friends and trying new things becomes easier. So if you would like to shut up that negative voice, truly shut it down, reach out, because I would love to help you get there. I would love to help not just take that away, but replace it with all of the amazing supportive messages that you need sitting in the background of your mind. For your day, for your life, for your specific personality, for your specific needs, for you personally.